Today I have one of my favorite Christmas Stollen recipes for you. It is very easy to bake and has a wonderful consistency and is full of amazing flavors. I hope you enjoy this recipe. The stollen needs to be stored for 2 weeks after baking so it can develop all its wonderful flavors. I started baking it 2 weeks ago, and in this video you can see the result after 2 weeks. All the information and ingredients are also displayed in the description. The day before baking, soak 300 grams of raisins in 40 milliliters of rum. The next day, melt 200 grams of butter in a small saucepan. Next, you need 125 milliliters of lukewarm milk. In a larger bowl, I put already 500 grams of flour, and now I press the flour in slightly to create a hollow. Now crumble 42 grams of fresh yeast into the hollow. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of sugar over it. And now add 4 to 5 tablespoons of milk over it. And now put a little bit of flours with your fingers over it and then cover the bowl with foil and let it rest for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, the butter is almost melted. Remove it from the stove and let it cool. And then grate the zest of 1 lemon. Dust 50 grams of candied lemon peel and 50 grams of candied orange peel with a little flour and chop them very finely. After 15 minutes, remove the foil from the bowl, and now you can see the yeast is active. There's a little crust on the flour. Take now a little fork and mix it. And now add all the following ingredients. They are displayed right here in the video in the bowl. And now start kneading the dough for 5 minutes with the kitchen machine. After 5 minutes, just cover the ball with foil and then let it rest for about 1 hour. And this is the way it looks after 1 hour. And now put the dough on a floured surface and knead it for about 2 to 3 minutes very well. The kneading gives it a nice elastic consistency. And now flatten the dough slightly with your hands so that it forms a circle approximately 25 centimeters in a diameter, and fold one half over the other. And now shape it a little bit into the form of a Christmas stollen. And now place the stollen on a baking sheet with baking paper, cover it with a clean dish towel, and then let it rest for another 30 minutes. After about 20 minutes, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius air circulation. And after 30 minutes, bake the stollen in the preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius air circulation on the middle rack for approximately 55 to 60 minutes. 10 minutes before the stollen is finished baking, melt 100 grams of butter and have 100 grams of sugar ready. And here comes the stollen fresh out of the oven. The last 15 minutes I covered the stollen in the oven with aluminum foil to prevent it from getting too dark. First remove the hard raisins from the outside of the stollen and immediately brush it well with the liquid butter. And now sprinkle the whole sugar on top of it. It serves both as a sweetener for the stollen and as a preservative. And now let it cool down completely. And now the stollen has wrapped well in aluminium foil, and then place it in a larger 6-liter freezer bag. It then needs to rest in a dark and cool room for about 2 weeks so that its flavors can fully develop. So here comes my stollen after 2 weeks from the basement, and I open it now, and this is the way it looks after 2 weeks. And now I sprinkle it very well with powdered sugar, and then I cut it and serve it. Enjoy this recipe. It's a very great stollen recipe. I wish you a wonderful day and bon appetit.